Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. And we're going to get into some things with this braided wig, okay? So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we're going to be right back. So today's unit was sent to me by Outre, so thank you Outre for kindly sending me this unit. It is their 4x4 lace front wig. It is the middle part feed in box braids in 36 inches, and it has a pre-attached elastic band, natural baby hairs, is HD transparent lace, 4x4 ear-to-ear lace, hand-tied HD lace, and I got it in the color DR1B/2T3027. And this is what the front of the stock card is looking like. And here is the back of the stock card. It shows the other colors that this unit comes in. And this is what the middle of the stock card is looking like. It's showing the beautiful models. And yeah, you guys know I love me a plop and go, so I'm excited about this unit. But it says, skip the salon, Outre's pre-braided 4x4 lace front wigs are your braid fantasies come to life. Get the professional braided look you love without an all-day salon visit, the price tag, or being stuck with one style. Pop the wig on and off when you choose and part it just the way you like. It's natural looking braids whenever and however you want them. So it's lightweight and natural density, soft flexible braids, baby hair included, pre-attached elastic band for a flat fit, hand-tied HD lace, 4x4 lace area. So I do like this braided wig. It's so cute. and you can't really see the knots that much. If you want the knots to totally disappear, you will have to spray some Got to Be Glued. For me, if you have been on my channel before, you guys know that I do not like gluing down synthetic wigs. It's just not my thing. So yes, I try to find a lazy girl method on this channel and just the easiest way to apply a synthetic wig. I don't feel like synthetic wigs should be a lot of work, so I do like this plop and go. I'm feeling these braids. Oh, it's so freaking cute. I do feel like it's a little bulgy, like right here, but I'm assuming that's because of the layers in the braids. But it's cute. I do like it. It's cute. It fits really nice. It is big head friendly. The elastic band back there is perfect. It's making everything tight and secure. I love that. It does have 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps back there as well. And yeah, I like it. It's a plop and go. My mom was already like plotting on this wig. Oh, I want it, but I think I want it, ma'am. I need an easy wig for work. So this unit has not come out yet. I do not have a price for this unit. After reviewing some of the previous units, it may be in the $100 price range. I'm not 100% sure, but I will have that information in the description box below. So there's like a little arrow under the video. You click on it and it has a description box and it tells you all the details of this unit, the website where you can get it from. It also has like all the stuff that I use in my YouTube videos as far as like lighting, my even lace tint, hair products, all types of things like that. So if you're interested in anything, just click on the links below. But yes, so I'm sorry I do not have a price for you guys yet. Usually I would talk about tangling and shedding. There's no need for me to talk about that because it's braids. It is braided all the way down to the ends, and this is what it's looking like. But they did a pretty good job braiding it, if you guys can see. I do like the coloring and all of that good stuff. So yes, I like this unit. It's so cute. I left the baby hairs alone. I just left them there. I feel like it makes it look a little bit more natural. And yeah, I used my even lace tint in the color medium brown. I sprayed the lace. I cut the lace. I put it on. And I did stick the combs in a little bit right here because it was sliding back. So other than that, it is cute. So cute. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This was a quick, easy, fun video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. It's free to support you guys. Show me some love by subscribing. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.